Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Okay. Mice Cube Black O'Shea. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? We just on a cool beat, man. Fucking with this Jay-Z Can I Live instrumental, you dig me? Trying to make $1 million out of my rapping, man. You know what I'm talking about? Rip. Yeah, nigga, the block still crazy with it, amazing with niggas that'll shoot you like a taser, bitches. Face the shit. Niggas really hoes and they expose any one of they niggas. They say they know what, just to get the dough. Niggas really don't give a shit. Pistol grip pumps that'll rip through any clicking, you feel me? Senseless with words, but I'm a verbal pronoun and shit. But I'm acknowledging these haters. 4-5 when I spray them. Yeah, and I'm going for a minute too. I spit it for them fuck niggas that's chemical. I spit it for the bitches that's so critical. And them niggas that will not listen to you. Bitch nigga, I'm rich nigga to get it up. My life I'ma live it up. Circuit just to get the books. Never had shit but dollars and some crack to whip. Niggas talk shit, bitch. Better bag up your whip and make her about face. It ain't no turning back. I'ma keep grinding for cheddar and earn my stacks. I know it, I'm for sure when I'm holding. Keep focused when I'm patrolling them haters, they know it. I don't know, bitch, but you know what? You better fall back. I grind for tall stacks. This is for them hoes I used to call that wouldn't call back. Now I'm just getting it in, getting it to win. So most of my friends, they used to pretend, but now I win like D-Gen, but I ain't a rough rider. I'm a suicide the doors. Murder all you whores. Niggas don't know 90 clips yet, but I bet that I be flyed in the Learjet. YSL, bitch, I'm fly as hell. Diamond grill, yellow look like piss. Now your bitch on my dick plus my earlobe is crystal clear. And your man's a queer, and I know when he see me, he straight up fear. Pussy ass nigga made me get up in your guts. Niggas talk shit, but they be faker than some ass shot butts. We don't trip about that bullshit. I'ma pray to God, plus I keep me a full clip, a foolish heathen, a devilish bastard. God forgive me cause these niggas murder is tragic. Rest in peace to Trayvon Martin. And I pray that his life shouldn't be dearly departed. Keep a 40 on the game, I shit it. And I must admit it, I'm a chemist when I cook it and whip it simply to sick a nigga. Realist when I be revealing my stainless, I be banging at your chest or your anus. And I'm crazy so heinous, 90 so dangerous. Hoover gang clipside, bitch I been banging. Crip cuz love, ripping to the highest definition. Bitch press whack rappers call them repetition. Did I mention I'm a menace? Getting greenery like Luigi. Yellow diamonds on my grill similar to PP. Your girl cannot steal me, see me? Steer that. Keep a fucking black Mac. Cook coke. Do your math. Bitch nigga, yeah. 90 nigga. You know what the banner is, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Yummy Spitty. Show you niggas a snapback. The other snapback right there. Next video, we're gonna be featuring the oil snapback, you dig? I'm just on some fly flamboyant shit, man. Young 90 Clipper, nigga.